Hello world, and what is up guys? Today we're gonna talk about my first compact TKL mechanical keyboard. This is the gaming K28 mechanical keyboard that comes with optimal blue switches for only 1,350 pesos or $27. This is the cheapest real mechanical keyboard with rainbow backlit here in the Philippines. Inside the box, we have the keyboard itself, a plastic keycap puller, and wrist rest. Build-wise, it is very solid. The design they've gone with is very simple, which I like. It's an all-black design with a rainbow lighting, which means it's not fully RGB. The top row can only be white, and the second can only be orange, etc, etc. It's quite light keyboard. The casing is all plastic, but it feels sturdy, and the key base is also made of glossy plastic, so keep that in mind. There's pretty much no bezel on this keyboard at all, and very slim looking body. We've got some retractable feet on the bottom of the keyboard, but it's not rubber tip, they're just plastic. And also, this non-slip rubber on the base is just made of foam. As for the cable, it is braided and it's fairly thick, but it is non-removable. What I like about this keyboard is it comes with detachable wrist rest for a comfortable gaming experience. The switches on this keyboard are clones of Cherry MX Blue called Optimal switches. To me, they sound a bit louder and also a bit heavier than Cherry MX Blues. And here is a quick example of how these switches sound. Moving on to the keycaps, these are ABS double shot keycaps with a horrible gaming font. Of course, it comes with rainbow lighting. It's not true RGB, which is still feature pack itself. The backlighting is bright, and with the RGB integration, you can play around with different effects. And here's a demo of the lighting. So that's it for this video. Well, I think overall this keyboard is a pretty good buy. The build quality is good. I like the minimalistic look and the style of this keyboard. For the money, I appreciate that it comes with detachable wrist rest. The switches feels great, and I like clicky and tactile feel. The backlighting is fairly bright, but the only downside is it's all plastic, and even the top plate is made of glossy plastic, which I'm not a fan of. With all that aside, this is definitely one of the best budget fully mechanical backlit keyboard you can get here in the Philippines. It is relatively cheap for the features that you get. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this review. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe just for fun. And as always, enjoy!